Hello, so here we have the DTM 5.2 multi-tool. It's an 18-volt LXT machine. So a multi-tool comes available with a multitude of different attachments. This is just a wood attachment for sawing that I've got with me at the moment. Now the beauty of this new machine is that it's a brushless motor, but it also comes with AVT, which is anti-vibration technology, which means that whether you're sawing, sanding, scraping, the vibration level of this machine is at 2.5 meters a second, which is ultra low, okay, which is fantastic. As well as that, our locking system, undo the lever, you have a pin at the top, and with a unique style of fitting on these accessories, you get a lot more drive through the machine, straight through to the attachment on the end. At the back we have variable speed from 1 to 6, which can adjust the oscillations per minute from 10,000 to 20,000 oscillations per minute. And it is back compatible for Starlock, Starlock Plus and Starlock Max accessories. So that is the DTM 5.2 multi-tool.